How to Make Money Online for Beginners, Step-by-Step Guide for 2020. In this video I will teach you how to make money online for beginners in 2020. This will be a step-by-step online money-making guide that you can follow to achieve amazing results in your online business. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Here are the exact steps you need to take. 1. Choose a niche. You'll want to focus on the big niche topics that have lots of hungry buyers. In other words, if people aren't buying products in the niche topic, don't target those people. Niche topics like internet marketing, affiliate marketing, pet care, home improvement, car repairs and insurance are great topics. They provide you with customers who are looking to buy products to solve their increasing daily problems. If you can solve a problem, you can make as much money as you want online. I'm not kidding. This is the key to success online. 2. Pick a product. Your product should have a residual commission or monthly recurring membership around it. This will increase your chances of making serious cash online. Choose a product that make you at least $25 per sale, or 75% commission monthly. 3. Create a squeeze page. The purpose of the squeeze page is to offer something in exchange for your potential customer's email address. This will allow you to follow up with them and even sell additional products online. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Make sure your squeeze page is very simple. An eye-catching headline and a simple call to action to get the email is all you need. For example, if you are in the internet marketing niche topic, you could write, "How to create a six-figure internet marketing business from scratch. Grab your free copy of our online guide." This will give your visitor a reason for joining your newsletter. Make sure to offer quality training in exchange for their trust. 4. Create an email marketing campaign. Write at least 7 follow-up emails that will educate your potential client on how you can help them. These emails should offer tips, tricks and advice on how to solve the problem they have. 5. Send emails to your list. Schedule daily emails to your list with some piece of content that they will love. This is very important if you want to create a stable business on the internet. 6. Scaling quickly. In order to scale your digital marketing business, you'll need to take massive action. So keep a schedule in place for producing and distributing content to your ideal market. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.